Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to draw two best buddy kittens. To start, let's draw the shape of the kittens' faces using a pencil and the bench that they are sitting on. I'm going to use a Sharpie to add in the details later and get the kittens looking at each other. You can also get very creative, add a dog and a cat instead, or even a cat and a human. Add some accessories, put on some clothes for them, and add even a dialogue box over the top, and it'll become a tiny comic. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications for the new videos that I put up. See you soon for the next one. Bye bye.